Alright, this is Ralph and I am going to do one more video today. I've got the camera set up at an extreme close-up of my target. I'm going to try to hit the target with my Horseshoe Slingshot without hitting the camera. So, here goes nothing. Get this thing set up again. And that's it. That's the big thrill of the day. You can kind of get a better sense of the power that this old slingshot has, but I'm going to put these good slingshot bands on a much lighter frame, a wooden frame that I carve out of a tree fork, and we'll start off again with that. But for a rock chucker, it's not bad. Just have to work with it. So this is Ralph signing out. Catch you again.